In this video, we'll show you how to get the most out of the maps that are available in the GarminExploreApp. If you haven't already, you will need to download the GarminExploreApp from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. In this video, we will be using an Android smartphone, but the process is the same on Apple devices. The GarminExploreApp has a default setting to download any topo-active streaming map from a specific location. It is also important to download your maps with a cellular or Wi-Fi connection before going on your adventure. From the Map tab, move to the desired map location. The topo-active offline map download will start automatically. Select the Offline Maps tab to see the progress of your download. Once complete, you can edit the details of your map. Then select Edit Map. The GarminExploreApp includes satellite imagery and USGS Quads map layers. Additional maps are available with our Outdoor Maps Plus subscription. You can also change the map name. Then select Save at the top. The additional maps will be downloaded for offline use. To ensure your offline maps are available when not on a Wi-Fi or cellular connection, select the Map tab. Select the Map Layers icon. Then select the three dots icon, followed by Map Settings. Turn Offline Maps Only to On. Only the maps that have been downloaded to your mobile device will be available when not on a Wi-Fi or cellular connection. From the Map tab, the topo-active, satellite, and USGS Quads map layers will be available in the downloaded area. Only the base map will be available everywhere else. Selecting the Map Layers icon will allow for viewing the map details. Once you have confirmed your map has been downloaded, it is important to turn off Offline Maps Only to allow maps to stream normally. An Outdoor Maps Plus subscription makes a wide variety of premium mapping content across the globe available that will expand the ability of all your compatible Garmin devices. Please see our Purchasing Outdoor Maps Plus video for additional details. Any of the maps that are available for the current location will be provided once the Outdoor Maps Plus subscription has been purchased. Currently, we are showing the maps available for the US. If we move globally to another area, the specific maps will be shown. In Canada, you have the ability to see highly detailed raster maps that detail trailheads, camping areas, and other points of interest. Topo Pro is available when you are in France. There are regular updates to all mapping content. They can be installed across all your devices at the same time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.